Om Shanti and welcome. Are you excited to start meditating to get all those great benefits you've been hearing about? But you're really not sure what type of meditation you should do or if there's a difference between the types, because I know how confusing it can be. You're in the right place because I'm going to answer those questions for you today. I'm Shirley Archer, and I'm a best-selling author of 15 books on fitness and wellness, a mindful health educator, and an award-winning trainer. I am so passionate about empowering you to live the healthy, joyful, energetic life that you deserve. And each week I'm here to share tips with you. I'm going to provide you with a brief overview of 7 types of meditation that are all great places to begin if you want to get started. Best style of meditation is what you enjoy most, and just experiment until you find something that feels good for you. The first type is categorized as focused awareness. And that really refers to a concentration meditation. It means that you have a one-pointed mind. You look at one thing, like a candle or your breath, and you focus all of your attention on whatever that item is. And every time you find your mind wandering, you bring it back to that focal point. So that's concentration meditation. It's kind of a narrowing of attention. The second type that's a broad category is called open monitoring. And that is the opposite of focused awareness. It's open awareness. So rather than targeting your mind at something in particular, you're opening up your awareness to simply observe thoughts, feelings, sensations, and try not to get engaged with any particular thought, but simply keep looking at how busy your mind is from one thought to another. A third type is mantra, and that's really a form of focused awareness or concentration meditation. And as I opened, I said Om Shanti, and that's an example of a mantra. You can simply repeat, for example, the word Om silently to yourself in your mind, coordinating that with the inhalation and exhalation, and achieve a quieting and stillness of the mind through focusing on the mantra. A mantra meditation can consist of one word or sound or a phrase. 4 is a body scan, and that's also a type of focused awareness with open awareness. So what do I mean by that? Well, you're going to look and observe the entire body, or just a particular part of your body that draws your attention, let's say your back or your foot or your chest, and just observe all the sensations and the experience of paying attention to that part of your body. So you're going to have an open awareness about everything that arises as you pay attention to a particular part of your body. And another technique is to simply scan the entire body and bring that awareness throughout the body. 5th style is loving kindness. And again, that's another style of concentration or focused awareness where you're really thinking about feelings of compassion and love, and you're bringing love to yourself and to others. And what's really exciting about that meditation is that it's been shown to boost mood as well as increase feelings of empathy and compassion. So that can be a very lovely and beautiful practice. 6th is guided meditation or visualization, and that's pretty straightforward. That's when a teacher guides you, as I do in some of the podcasts that I have, through a meditation, helping you to bring your attention to your breath or to thoughts or to sensations, and basically taking you through the meditation experience and helping you keep your mind still and focused. And a visualization is similar in that a teacher guides you, but you're using your mind to create a picture, and associated with that picture, be it nature or something you want to achieve, you fill that with feelings and thoughts and bring your attention to everything around that vision that you create in your mind's eye. And lastly, moving meditation. And that's a fantastic start for beginners because it's often difficult to sit, especially in today's world where we're sitting all the time. Typically walking, it can be Tai Chi, Qigong, or even a mindful yoga practice where you focus your attention on the movements, the blending of the mind and the body and the breath and what you're experiencing all in that present moment to create that stillness of mind and enhanced awareness. So that's a quick overview of 7 types of meditation that are actually great places to begin your practice. I'd love it if you'd share in comments below which style you seem to feel that would be attractive for you and why. And if you have any questions about any of those styles, feel free to ask me. I'm always happy to help you get started with your practice because it's going to give you so many benefits. My newest playlist will describe each of these types of meditation in more depth, and I'm also going to give you a little bit of a sample of maybe a 2-minute introduction to each style, so that gives you another place where you can just see what feels good for you, and so you can get started with your meditation practice. I want you to enjoy and be healthy and happy. Until next time, Om Shanti. Take care.